Bone in dry-aged sirloin steak. Bone in dry-aged sirloin steak. Wagyu beef Carpaccio. Wagyu beef Carpaccio. Prosciutto-wrapped mozzarella with vine-ripe tomatoes. Filet Mignon. Pan-fried calamari with hot chili peppers. Pan-fried calamari with hot chili peppers. Lobster and crab stuffed shrimp. Classic cream brulee. Classic cream brulee. Porcini rubbed Delmonico with 12-year aged balsamic. Porcini rubbed Delmonico with 12-year aged balsamic. Lobster Bisque. Lobster Bisque. Filet Oscar. Filet Oscar.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.